Hey all, it's Woody again. Just on the post-accident repairs. So this was the upper triple tree cross bracket, cross piece, steering yoke, whatever you want to call it. This is the manufactured, fabricated one. It's all welded up. Got a pretty good tweak to it. Just not gonna work, and I'm not comfortable trying to just hammer that back out and calling it good. So Terry over at Crawford Sales, he helped me out quite a bit. A lot of people on the forum helped me out. Van helped me out quite a bit, and lots of people kind of added their 2 cents to it. And the big question was whether or not the older cast versions are compatible with the newer fabricated ones, and I can answer that with a resounding yes. I think the older cast one is just a much better part. I mean, even just holding them, it's got a lot of, well, it feels like it anyways, a little bit of extra weight to it, just some beefiness. It's better made, and definitely less susceptible to warping. I mean, if it does go, it's going to actually break. So but it does fit beautifully. Same spot. The riser holes, everything's aligned. It's even got the little hole for the washer here, so it's good. It is a direct replacement. All the old version cast upper triple tree will fit the newer and intermediate ones. The 2013 and newer, it appears that they'll fit as well. The really new ones look to be made out of cast aluminum, possibly, and they're a lot lighter, and you can tell that they've kind of had to reinforce them quite a bit. On the back side here, you'll see a bunch of honeycomb casting similar to this, but you know, all cast. But yeah, no, that was good, and it came in quick too, man. 2 days. Terry had that at my doorstep in 2 days, so really happy with that. And he was the only person I was able to talk to and call, and he was able to give me straight answers on it, whether or not the old ones are compatible. So I was very appreciative to that, so shout out to him. And well, the project continues.